Digital marketing is constantly changing. Businesses struggle to keep up, reaching the right audience is hard. Competition is fierce, standing out is crucial. Companies need an edge, they need tools that deliver results. Traditional marketing methods are not enough. Businesses need to embrace new technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the game. AI offers automation, personalization, and data-driven insights. These are essential for success in the digital age. But before we jump in, please do me a favor and subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive is a game changer. It is an AI-powered platform. It is designed for digital marketing success. Onpassive automates tasks. It optimizes campaigns. It personalizes customer experiences. This comprehensive platform empowers businesses. Onpassive offers a suite of tools. These tools work together seamlessly. They cover all aspects of digital marketing, from lead generation to customer relationship management. Onpassive provides a unified solution. It simplifies digital marketing for businesses of all sizes. AI is at the heart of Onpassive, driving innovation and efficiency across all its platforms and services. It powers all of its tools and features, enabling seamless integration and functionality. This allows for intelligent automation, reducing human error, and increasing productivity. Tasks are completed faster and more efficiently, freeing up time for more strategic activities. AI analyzes vast amounts of data in real time, providing actionable insights. It identifies patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysts. This leads to smarter decisions, optimizing business processes and strategies. Onpassive's AI personalizes customer interactions, enhancing user experience. It tailors marketing messages to individual preferences, increasing engagement. This creates a more engaging experience, making customers feel more connected to the brand. Customers feel understood and valued, leading to higher satisfaction. Personalization drives conversions and builds loyalty, ensuring long-term success for businesses. Section 4. Data-driven decisions, the Onpassive advantage. Data is crucial in digital marketing. Onpassive understands this deeply and leverages it to the fullest. By harnessing the power of data, Onpassive ensures that every marketing decision is backed by solid evidence and insights. It collects and analyzes data from multiple sources, including customer interactions, market trends, and competitor activities. This comprehensive data collection allows for a holistic view of the market landscape. It provides businesses with valuable insights that can drive strategic decisions. These insights help in identifying opportunities, understanding customer behavior, and predicting future trends. This data-driven approach optimizes campaigns in real time, ensuring that marketing efforts are always aligned with the latest data. This means more effective targeting and better results. Onpassive helps businesses understand their audience on a deeper level. By analyzing customer feedback and engagement metrics, businesses can tailor their strategies to meet the specific needs and preferences of their audience. It identifies the most effective marketing channels, ensuring that resources are allocated to the platforms that yield the highest returns. This targeted approach maximizes the impact of marketing efforts. It tracks key performance indicators, or KPIs, providing a clear picture of how well marketing strategies are performing. This continuous monitoring allows for quick adjustments and improvements. This allows businesses to measure their return on investment, or ROI, accurately. By understanding the financial impact of their marketing efforts, businesses can make more informed budget decisions. Data empowers businesses to make informed decisions that drive growth and success. With Onpassive, businesses can navigate the complexities of the digital landscape with confidence and precision. Section 5. Onpassive. Shaping the future of digital marketing. Onpassive is constantly evolving, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing. It is not just a platform, it is a revolution in how businesses approach their marketing strategies. It is at the forefront of digital marketing innovation, leading the way with its advanced AI-driven tools and solutions. These tools are designed to make marketing more efficient and effective, helping businesses to stay ahead of the competition. The platform is continuously updated with new features and tools, ensuring that users always have access to the latest advancements in technology. This commitment to innovation means that businesses can rely on Onpassive to provide them with the best possible tools for their marketing needs. Onpassive is committed to providing cutting-edge solutions that are tailored to the unique needs of each business. Whether you are a small startup or a large corporation, Onpassive has the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Onpassive empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age by offering a comprehensive suite of tools that streamline operations, enhance customer engagement, and drive growth. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for businesses to implement and manage their marketing strategies. Its AI-powered tools automate tasks, personalize experiences, and optimize campaigns based on data, allowing businesses to focus on what they do best. This level of automation and personalization is what sets Onpassive apart from other digital marketing platforms. With Onpassive, businesses can focus on what matters most: growth and success. By leveraging the power of AI and cutting-edge technology, Onpassive helps businesses to achieve their goals and reach new heights in the digital marketing world. For more information about Onpassive and how it will help you make money, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.